iSee, where you can view products virtually. So why did we build this app? We built this app because in the midst of COVID, we realized that there are a lot of complications that come with in-store purchases. For example, customers have to go up to in-store products and touch the surfaces, or if they ever need help, they have to talk to employees in store. This isn't the greatest situation for COVID, especially since COVID can be spread through surfaces and in-person interactions can result in contracting COVID. Also, we wanted to build an application that helped users compare items in store and in a more fast manner that was user-friendly. So our solution was fairly simple. We created a compact iOS application that revolutionized the way we interact with products using augmented reality. Users will be able to point at 2 or more products of interest and be presented with an AR card. This AR card presents concise information about the device that they're pointing at, which allows easier comparison between different phones. So some key feature overviews. So like before, I mentioned there's an AR card. This AR card presents multiple devices within seconds. There's also an easy checkout via T-Mobile's website. So users can add their items to a wish list, and once they go to the wish list, they can see the item, look at the product details, and then be redirected to T-Mobile's website to either look at more information on the item or check out the item on the website.
How did we build our MVP? So we started off using Xcode, Apple's integrated development environment, to build our iOS application. Within Xcode, we used Swift and UIKit to build the front end of our application with model view controller architecture. The bottom 3 on the slide, these are Apple libraries, frameworks that they provide for iOS developers. So let's go with the first one, ARKit. So ARKit, how we use ARKit, we use it to detect which object has certain AR cards. The next one, SpriteKit, we actually use SpriteKit to create the initial AR card view that we're going to present in AR view. And finally, SceneKit renders the AR card that we created from SpriteKit in the AR view. So here are some screenshots of the application. We're going to talk a little bit more in depth about what each of these screenshots is in the video demo, which is on the next slide.
Hi, welcome to the demo video for iSee. The first view that we're presented with is the AR view. In the AR view, we're presented with AR cards for each device on the table, but for demo purposes, we only have one device with one AR card. In the AR card, we're presented with information about the device in a picture. For information that we are presented here is a Samsung Galaxy S6, the price $399, the screen size 5.1 inches, and the storage 32 gigabytes. But what if I want to learn more about the device? You can actually click on the AR card to learn more about the device. Let's click it. Here we're presented a little bit more information about the different features about the device. We have 2 buttons, a back button and a wish list. The back button would go back to the AR view. But for wish list, it would actually add this to a list of devices that I'm interested in purchasing. Let's click the wish list. Let's head to the wish list tab. Here, we're presented with devices that I'm interested in buying. Let's see, I'm interested in buying the Apple iPhone 12. Here, we're presented with similar information that we saw earlier, but instead of a wish list button, we have a buy from T-Mobile. If we click this button, this will redirect to T-Mobile website. And as you can see, iPhone 12 in the blue color. And here we can actually chat with an expert and actually go to the nearby store to see where we can buy this device. And with T-Mobile's 5G network, we can actually do this really fast, unlike the other competitors.
So how does T-Mobile's 5G network work with iSee? So we use T-Mobile's 5G network to create a immersive, impactful, smooth retail experience in AR view. Next, we also educate the people of the future of 5G networks and also debunk any myths about 5G. Finally, we show the speed and reliability of 5G networks from T-Mobile in a production-ready app. So thank you so much for taking the time to check out iSee for this hackathon. I hope you like everything that you see and have a nice day.